Good morning, my lovely kids. How are you? Welcome to my GK class. In this class, today we will do our next chapter. And the name of our chapter is, yes, direction words. Yes, direction words. This is your GK book, and the name of the chapter is direction words. And the chapter is on page number 69. Okay, before starting our written work, let's try to understand this chapter together. Okay, बच्चे? Yes, my dear kids, let's start reading the chapter. The name of the chapter is Direction Words, and it's on page number 69. Okay, let's start reading. Words that help us to give directions. जो वर्ड्स हमें डायरेक्शंस के बारे में बताते हैं आर कॉल्ड डायरेक्शन वर्ड्स, उनको डायरेक्शन वर्ड्स कहते हैं. ओके और ये डायरेक्शन वर्ड्स हमारे किस काम आते हैं? डायरेक्शन वर्ड्स हेल्प अस टू लोकेट प्लेसेस. ओके, डू यू नो द 4 मेन डायरेक्शंस? ओके, you don't know? I'll tell you. Okay, yes beta, the 4 main directions are N for north, E for east, S for south, and W for west. Okay, these are the 4 main directions: north, east, south, and west. Okay बच्चे? Yes. Do you know, my dear kids? The sun rises in the east. The sun rises in the east and the sun sets in the west. Okay, the sun rises in the east and the sun sets in the west. सूरज कहाँ उगता है? यस, किस डायरेक्शन में? ईस्ट डायरेक्शन में. और सूरज कहाँ डूबता है? किस डायरेक्शन में? वेस्ट डायरेक्शन में. ओके, ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट both are opposite directions. East and west are both are opposite directions. ऐसे ही north and south are opposite directions. North and south are opposite directions. Okay बच्चे? Yes, the sun always rises in the east and it moves from the east to high in the sky. Okay, afternoon it goes टूवर्ड्स द वेस्ट. ओके, आफ्टरनून में क्या होता है? ये धीरे 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 वेस्ट डायरेक्शन की तरफ जाना शुरू कर देता है एंड सेट्स इन द वेस्ट. ओके, और द सन सेट्स इन द वेस्ट. ओके, एंड इफ़ यू फेस द राइजिंग सन इन द मॉर्निंग. ओके, आपको अगर डायरेक्शंस लर्न करनी है तो इट्स वेरी इजी. आप कैसे कर सकते हो? ओके, आप कैसे करोगे? इफ़ यू फेस द राइजिंग सन इन द मॉर्निंग, दैट इज़ ईस्ट. ओके, सुबह जब आप उठते हो, अगर आपको डायरेक्शंस लर्न करनी है मॉर्निंग में, आप किसी गार्डन में खड़े हो सकते हो. ओके, और आप सन की तरफ फेस करके खड़े हो जाओगे तो वो डायरेक्शन कौन सी होएगी? दैट विल बी ईस्ट. ओके, दैट इज़ ईस्ट. एंड ऑन योर बैक इज़ वेस्ट, और आपकी बैक साइड पे वेस्ट है. ओके, वेस्ट होगी. ओके, कीप इट माइंड बेटा दैट वेस्ट इज़ ऑलवेज on the opposite side of east. Okay, yes my dear kids, make sure you never look directly at the sun. Okay, because sun की rays जो है वो harmful हो सकती हैं. Okay, eyes के लिए. Okay बच्चे, so be careful. Okay बेटा, now where is the north direction? The north is towards your left shoulder. Okay, आपको ऐसे अपने hands को, अपनी arms को open करना है and आपकी left side पे कौन सी direction होगी? north. Okay, so north is towards your left shoulder and south is towards your right shoulder. Okay, south is towards your right shoulder. कितना easy है directions को learn करना, है ना? So, the main 4 directions are north, east, south and west. Okay बच्चे? Yes, my dear kids, make sure you never look directly at the sun, okay? Because sun की rays जो है वो harmful हो सकती हैं, okay? Eyes के लिए, okay बच्चे? So be careful. Okay beta. Now, where is the north direction? The north is towards your left shoulder. Okay? आपको ऐसे अपने hands को, अपनी arms को open करना है and आपकी left side पे कौन सी direction होगी? North. Okay? So, north is towards your left shoulder and south is towards your right shoulder. ओके, साउथ इज टुवर्ड्स योर राइट शोल्डर. कितना ईजी है डायरेक्शंस को लर्न करना, है ना? सो द मेन 4 डायरेक्शंस आर नॉर्थ, ईस्ट, साउथ एंड वेस्ट. ओके बच्चे, let's try to understand directions through these pictures. Okay, if you stand facing the sun in the morning, you face east, so west is behind you, north is towards your left shoulder and south is towards your right shoulder. Okay bache, got it? Okay, so the 4 main directions are north, east, south and west. Okay beta, so learn these directions. Yes, the question 1 is name 4 directions. Yes, N must be capital, N-A-M-E, name, N-A-M-E, name 4 directions, D-I-R-E-C-T-I-O-N-S, small s, and here put dot on small I and cut on the small t, and here put dot on small I. Directions, name 4 directions, okay, and here put full stop. Okay bache, yes, and here we will write the answer. A 1 2 3 4. Write down 1 to 4 numbers because we have to write the 4 directions. Okay, हमें 4 directions लिखनी है. Yes beta. Number 1 is, yes, number 1 is east, capital E, small a, small s, small t. Okay, east, then west. Number 2 is west, W-E-S-T, west, east, west, yes. Number 3 is north, N-O-R-T-H, north, cut on the small t. And number 4 is south. Okay, capital S, small o, small u, small t, small h, south, and cut on the small t. Okay? Okay. Yes. Have you written? Okay, that's very good. Now let's read this question one more time. Question 1 is name 4 directions, and the 4 directions are, number 1 is east, number 2 is west, number 3 is north, and number 4 is south. Okay beta, so write it down in your notebook. Okay bache. Now let's do the blanks of this chapter. Okay, write down date. First of all, write down date. Date is 18.10.21, and here write down the day, MONDAY, Monday. And on the very first line, write down the heading page 69 blanks, BLANKS. Okay, this is the margin line, and here write down 1. Okay, bache? Yes. The first blank is the capital T, small h, small e. The sun, capital S, small u, small n. Okay, why we have written S capital of sun? Because sun is a heavenly body. Okay, तो sun का जो है S that must be capital. हम अपने नेम का फर्स्ट लेटर वो भी कैपिटल्स में लिखते हैं ना. ओके बच्चे, सो बी केयरफुल. द सन rises, RISES, and here put dot on small I. Rises, the sun rises, then I and in, here put dot on small I. Okay, the sun rises in the, 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 cut on the small t. The sun rises in the, and here make a blank like this, and here put full stop. Okay, this is our first blank. The sun rises in the dash. Yes, the sun rises in the east. Yes, so here we will write east, EAST, east. Okay, the sun rises in the east. Okay बच्चे, now the second blank is, here we will write number 2. Okay, the sun, yes, THE, first letter capital T. Okay, now SUN, sun. Yes, S must be capital. The sun, yes, the sun sets, 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 IN, and here put dot on small I. The sun sets in the, 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 cut on the small t, and here make a blank like this, and here put full stop. Okay, the sun sets in the, yes, sun किस direction में डूबता है? West. Okay, so here we will write WEST, west. Yes. Okay, the sun sets in the west. So, my dear lovely kids, this is your GK work, and do it in your GK notebook with your clean and neat handwriting, and learn all the spellings. Okay, bache? Yes, my dear kids, let's do the back exercise of this chapter, direction words. Write the directions of the things around the boy. Okay, bache? Yes, it's a picture of boy, and here are some pictures also. इसके आसपास कुछ पिक्चर्स हैं. इट्स अ पिक्चर ऑफ ट्री, इट्स अ पिक्चर ऑफ हार्ट, इट्स अ पिक्चर ऑफ वेल, एंड इट्स अ पिक्चर ऑफ स्मॉल ऑयल लैम्प, है ना, मेड ऑफ क्ले. ओके, अब हमें क्या करना है? व्हाट वी हैव टू डू, वी हैव टू राइट द directions. We have to write here in boxes, box के अंदर we have to write the directions by understanding the positioning of this boy. Okay, yes my dear students, this boy is facing east, है ना, east को देख रहा है, इधर sun है, this boy is facing east, so this direction will be the east. so इसके अंदर हम क्या लिखेंगे? कैपिटल E, स्मॉल a, स्मॉल s, स्मॉल t, ईस्ट. ओके, नाउ अभी हमने क्या चैप्टर में अभी हमने पढ़ा है ना, वेयर विल बी द वेस्ट. ओके, वेस्ट कहाँ है? वेस्ट हमेशा ईस्ट की ओपोजिट डायरेक्शन में होती है, एंड वेस्ट इज़ बिहाइंड दिस बॉय, है ना, ही इज़ फेसिंग ईस्ट एंड सो वेस्ट इज़ बिहाइंड हिम, वेस्ट इसके पीछे है. सो यहाँ पे क्या, कौन सी डायरेक्शन है? कौन सी डायरेक्शन है? वेस्ट. ओके, सो हेयर वी विल राइट बॉक्स के अंदर कैपिटल W, स्मॉल e, स्मॉल s, स्मॉल t, वेस्ट. ओके, अभी हमने पढ़ा है ना, ईस्ट एंड वेस्ट बोथ आर opposite directions. Okay, east and west both are opposite directions. Okay, yes bache, this is the right side of the boy and this is the left side of the boy. Okay, because this is the right arm and this is the left arm. Oh, okay, so this side will be the left side and this side will be the right side. Okay, and the left hand, the boy's left hand points to which direction? North. So here we will write north. Capital N, small o, small r, small t, small h. North. Okay. And the boy's right hand points to south. Okay, the boy's right hand points to south. So here we will write south. Capital S, small o, small u, small t, small h. South. So these are the four directions: north, east, south, west. Okay, so learn these directions. Okay beta, take care, bye bye, have a nice day.